you guys also see such kind of error, like if this code is invalid, then don't worry, this video is just for you guys. So what you have to do, I will give you a step-by-step procedure to how to get the Sora 2 video code for free. Okay, so just see what I am doing here. So as you can see, there are a lot of code everyone is posting here. So this is actually working trick, guys. This is really actually working trick. Don't worry, it's a really working. So I will going to give you a live demo. Okay, so let's just wait for someone to post some Sora codes. As you can see, there are a lot of users already posted some Sora codes. So let's wait for some users to post some codes. So you have to wait, guys. Don't give anyone money. If someone is asked you to please give some money and get your Sora codes, then that's a totally fraud and scam. Okay, there are a lot of codes available. I have already created a lot of accounts. Let me show you one of them. Okay, someone is posted this, so let's use this. Boom, guys, see, this is just unbelievable. You can see, guys, I have already used this code and I have created this account, guys. This is just a simple trick, guys. Now this is the main step. Now here is the main step, how you create, how you get this. As you can see, someone already told this. Thanks a lot, brother, because he posted this account and this number, and I have already used this number. Okay, now this is the main step, how you get this kind of codes from Sora 2. Okay, so what you have to do, I will going to post some videos. What you have to do, you just have to Google, you have to go to Google and you have to write Discord Sora 2. Okay, and here is the first link. You have to simply open this link. Now guys, here what you have to do, as you can see, I have already created account. Now you have to from your main account, ChatGPT's main account, you have to accept this invite. Okay, as soon as you accept the invite, ChatGPT, this Discord will ask you to verification. So I will create one proper video for that. So guys, here is the trick for you. So if you guys have any problem, then please subscribe and please comment out the problems below. I will fix and I will help you out to solve your problems. Thanks for watching this video.